Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 22. Find y if this 2 by 2 matrix containing 5 minus 6, 2 minus 7 into xy is equals to 7 minus 11. Now from here, multiplying this matrix, this 2 by 2 matrix by this 1 by 2 matrix, now we'll simply have this 5 multiplied by x, we have 5x minus 6 multiplied by y minus 6y is equal to 7. Let's call this equation 1. Then we also have 2 multiplied by x to give us 2x minus 7 multiplied by y minus 7y is equals to minus 11. Let's call this equation 2. This is equation 2. Now, to simplify these two simultaneous equations, let's multiply. We multiply equation 1 by 2. Now we want, the essence is that we want to make what equation, the x, that is the coefficient of x on equation 1, should be the same with the coefficient of x in equation 2. So by doing that, we multiply equation 1 by 2, which is the coefficient of x, and also equation 2 by 5, which is the coefficient of x in equation 1. So now from this, we'll have that we'll have equation 1 multiplying equation 1 by 2. So 2 times 5 will give us 10x minus 2 times 6 will give us 12y equals to 2 times 7, 14. Then equation 2, we have, we're multiplying it by 5. So 5 times 2 will give us 10x. 5 times 7 will give us minus 35y equals to, then 5 times minus 11 will give us minus 55. Now let's subtract this equation 2 from equation 1. So 10x minus 10x will give us 0. Then minus 12y minus 12 minus 35. So we have minus 12y minus 35y. That is minus 12y plus 35y, and that will give us 23y is equals to 14 minus 11. Now 14 minus 55, is equal to 14 plus 55, and that is equal to 69. So from here we can say y is equals to 69 all over 23, which is equal to 3. So y is 3, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.